I have removed this screen which was ये ब्रेक हो गई थी और इसको मैंने रिप्लेस अभी रिमूव कर दिया है। जो मेन डिवाइस है उससे, और ये डिस्प्ले अभी, और ये आपका अभी जो मुझको फिक्स करना है। So let us see. और ये स्क्रीन जो फ्रंट पैनल है ये मुझको अभी लगाना है। तो अभी देखना है इसके ये कनेक्शन मैं कर पाऊँगा कि नहीं कर पाऊँगा, और कोई इसमें से कोई ओल्ड वन ये जो टूट गई, अभी इसमें ये दिखाई पड़ रहे हैं कनेक्शन, जो इसके इंटरनल कनेक्शन थे ये थोड़ा चिपका हुआ रह गया है, तो इसको रिमूव करना है। ओके, सो लेट मी ट्राई टू मेक इट। I have pasted this front screen, तो ये है, and now I have to make the connection so of this screen, this one with here, and then after this is already connected. Now the second one here, so I have to make the connection with the screen. So let me try. So it seems here at this point. Here I have removed this screen properly. If you see this one, this was adjusted properly, but later what happened when I open this, so this was the point. I have fixed it properly. Here you can see this one by replacing this one. This is the point at which the new screen basically fit here. At this point you can see here it was perfect, but when I was trying to open it again, then what happened, this connection break up here, this one, and that is connected main connection with this circuit with the complete software and hardware. This was the hardware connection basically, and when I was trying to open it, I thought it will open as this one, like here it opens in this way, but somehow it breaks and I could not open it. So now you can see this one. So these two, and similar broken, and it was supposed to fit here if the connection was and next point is this one. It is connected here for the mic and other parts of this one. So as such one can change easily, but I did some mistake that I immediately opened this one and it has been broken, and this is the point of main panel. So now I have to replace this one, the main body panel. So these are the main component inside the mobile phone. Now I was fixing the screw here. I am fixing the screw, and what I did, I just again break the screen, and you can see the crack into that one. Because of that, I started to change the everything. It was working earlier, but now you can see this crack into the screen. So and now I will fit this battery. Right, and this is the cover of this mobile. So what I have learned from this exercise, now you can see the crack in the screen, and to change this screen I have opened this mobile phone with the help of simple screw and this patch simple this knife, you can see here, scissor and tape. So but what is in my hand right now? Mobile phone is not working, there is no display. So let me try from other mobile phone. Now I am using this one, Samsung, the old one. calling this phone and you can see them. You listen some sound. Actually there is some signal inside this mobile phone, but battery is low because of that. So there is no display, but alarm and this SIM is working. You can listen the sound. But ultimately what I have lost and what I have find, I don't know, but I have seen many new feature into the mobile phone and learn new things at the cost of this mobile phone that was 3 years old. What is my suggestion to those who are very creative or like to open everything? So whenever you have all the instrument, only then you open these such kind of electronic devices. Don't try to open anything with the. But on the other hand, I am happy to know about the many feature of the mobile phone. But don't try such kind of is a patchcase or a screw like this one. Yeah. Do you think that you can open with the help of these sophisticated electronic items? No. So don't try like these things. But ultimately this is good experience and good learning. At the cost of this mobile phone, I have changed the fit again, and display is not working because of some reason that I was in hurry and so that it is not working. So no problem. Thanks for watching this video.